In this module, we'll cover one of the most critical success factors in property investment, which is the property selection and financing your asset. This is an important factor for a strategic and a successful property investor, as it will either make or break you. Believe it or not, 9 out of 10 amateur investors do not make the correct decision in selecting their property, and this leads to poor financing. There are 2 simple steps to consider when selecting your investment assets. Identify your goals, identify your budget. Identify whether you are purchasing the property for your own stay or for investment purposes, where this is generated through rental income or capital gains. The first way is to identify your monthly budget. Only purchase what you can afford, as you would not want your expenses to exceed your cash flow. First, identify your gross income, which is the salary that you receive at the end of every month. For example, you earn $5,000 US per month, and this is your gross income, which is the income you earn without any deductions or expenses. Then identify your net income, which includes the deduction of expenses per month. Let's say your expenses are 20% from your gross income, so it will leave you with a net income of $4,000. Note that banks may assess your loan application based on either your gross or net income. Let's assume that the bank policy grants lending of 30% for property loan commitment based on your gross income. You get $1,500 from your gross salary of $5,000. The same calculation applies for loan assessment based on net income. After identifying your monthly budget, you can now have a rough estimation of what you can afford to invest.